Thank you for purchasing the Vidashield UVC air purification system. Installing the patented Vidashield system is easy with this step-by-step video. Before installing any electrical equipment, be aware of all important safeguards. Read and follow all instructions carefully. The installation instructions for the fluorescent and LED tube VS01 and the LED panel VS02 are exactly the same. Both require 2 electrical lines. The no downlight VS03 only requires 1. The Vidashield system comes completely assembled with a set of 2 brackets and 6 rivets. The VS01 contains either 2 fluorescent lamps and lens or 2 LED lamps and lens. The LED panel will be complete with the panel and lens already installed. The no downlight version will have an acoustical ceiling tile already in place. Here are tools you will need to install the unit. After disconnecting the power and removing the existing fixture from the ceiling, you are ready to install the Vidashield. The first step is to make sure that a second constant hot circuit to control the UVC lamp is installed in addition to the switch leg circuit. Once the correct power lines have been set up, it is time to install the mounting brackets onto the T-bar on either end. Using a rivet gun, drill the rivets into the holes on the mounting bracket to secure it into the T-bar on both ends. Now that the mounting brackets are in place, we are all ready to install the fixture. Because the average weight of the Vidashield is around 44 pounds, it requires 2 people to lift it up into the ceiling. To secure the Vidashield into the brackets, you need to secure the shoulder bolt into the mounting elements. First, put one shoulder bolt into the slot at an angle and push the unit all the way back. Then, lift the second shoulder bolt up, slide it into the slot and push the fixture back. The fixture is now installed in the ceiling and ready for power to be connected. The electrical connections are exposed through a knockout. The first step to connecting power to the Vidashield system requires removal of the access plate. The incoming power is connected through the access plate. The VS01 and VS02 require both a constant hot circuit and a switch leg circuit so the UV operates 24/7. The VS03 or no downlight system only requires a constant hot circuit. You now attach the ground wire from both circuits to the same ground connector. The constant hot circuit is attached to the UV connector labeled UV input, using a quick connect for easy connectivity. The quick connect also makes it easy to disconnect the unit in the off chance you need to replace a ballast or fan assembly. The downlight circuit is connected to the switch leg by a quick connect labeled either LED, fluorescent, or simply downlight. Once your power is connected, the connectors are pushed back into the space underneath the cover, and the access plate is screwed into place. The fixture is now installed. Now it's time to rotate it back into the ceiling. On the leading edge of the fixture is a lock bar, which will spring clear so the fixture can rotate up into the ceiling. Once it's above the ceiling, you release the lock bar, settle the fixture down, and the lock bar holds the fixture into the T-bar. Now the installation is complete, and the Vidashield is ready to be powered up. For troubleshooting assistance with your Vidashield system, contact the Vidashield team at 662-267-5834.